Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Fadia Nurhidayati, and today I would like to explain the TPR method. Okay, total physical response is language teaching method in which learners listen to instruction in the target language and carry out a sequence of physical actions. Learning in this method uses several forms of activity, such as the first one is instruction. Practice using commands is the main activity that the teachers do in the classroom from the TPR method. Practice is useful for obtaining physical movement and activity from students. And the second one is role play. It is based upon the way that children learn their mother tongue. Parents have language buddy conversations with their children. The parent instructs and the children physically responds to this. The parent says, "Look at the mommy," or "Give me the ball," and the children does so. In the classroom, the teacher plays the role of parent. For example, they starts by saying a word, jump, or phrase, "Look at the board," and demonstrating an action. The teacher says the command and the students all do the action. And then the last one is the question and answer method. The question and answer method is a teaching method that allows direct communication, that is two-way traffic, because at the same time there is a dialogue between the student and the teachers. The teacher asks the student to answer, or the students ask the teacher to answer. This method has advantages such as it is a good tool for learning vocabulary or understanding the target language. This method is fun, good for stimulating children to learn and remember that the target language, and suitable for kinesthetic learners who are required to be active in the classroom. Create positive thinking that facilitates students to be involved in the learning process so as to develop not only motivation but also students' goals in learning process. And the teacher doesn't need a lot of preparation or materials. As long as you are competent in what you want to practice, it doesn't take much time to get ready. Although this method has many advantages, this method has disadvantages, such as students who are not familiar with things like this method may feel embarrassed. TPR can be ineffective if the teacher uses it for a long time without replacing it with other activities that help teach the target language. Because TPR was created especially from commands, tend to ignore narration, description, and form of language conversation. In short, TPR should be combined with others because it requires a lot of energy, so that students do not feel bored in learning process. Okay, I think that's all that I can say. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.